Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing to a pattern lock on Samsung Galaxy. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and select Lock Screen. Then tap Lock Screen Type at the top. You will have to put in your current PIN or password to continue. Now tap Pattern. Draw the pattern that you would like to be your unlock pattern, then tap Next. Draw the pattern again to confirm it and tap Confirm. You can choose to back up your pattern here if you like. If you do this, then Samsung will save your pattern for you in case you forget it. Tap Continue if you want to do that, or tap Cancel if not. Your unlock pattern is now set. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung Galaxy tips and tricks.